Yo guys, we are out here at the track. Welcome back to the channel. So when we got to the track, if you guys have seen the last video, I kind of cut it off to make this his own separate video. We got here, we prepped everything, and we got our car to tech. Everybody passed tech. We made our first pass. I did a 13-1 on the first shot. I didn't realize they were doing Pro Tree. I've never ran Pro Tree before, so I did a 1960 13-1 at 105. Definitely a lot more to improve. I had to pull back in. They're doing trial runs like for a good minute here. I had to pull back in because my shifter wouldn't go in, so I readjusted my cable. Feels good. What'd you do?
12.7?
12.7, first one off the trailer, and Marco full sent his shit. Marco broke an axle. Oh, you already got an axle back in? If you guys don't know, this is rear wheel drive.
No, I wasn't even ready. Yeah, son. But you still up.
Hey, winning's winning, losing's losing.
Right?
Look at that. Look at that axle. Oh boy, it is done. It's all good. Warranty, baby. So we're gonna let Marco finish up real quick. We're all gonna get back in line and shit, try to get as much seat time as possible before I don't even know what bracket I'm in or class I'm in.
Bracket, bro.
Oh, then we're Gucci. Test and tune, boys. Just did my second pass against a Corvette. They're 13.0 at 106.52. This one was 105.12. Went a little faster after the 330 right here. These guys over here got a grudge match going on. These guys. What happened now? Who won?
I gave it to him.
You gave it to him?
Back, bro. I was right lane. I pulled him back like he was going backwards.
13-1. 13-1. Dude, look at the trap speed on that though.
I got my camera and started recording him while I was on third. Not realizing I still had to go into fourth.
So, you know what we found out? This event hosted by Hondata themselves, this is an all-day test and tune, like, you know what I mean? We can hang out the rest of the day, all day, right now, a little bit here and there. We can still race from now until the end of the day. No rush, but Alex just made his pass, and would you deflate the tires to this time?
8.
8? He did 8 this time around. He used to always run 10, and he just cut a 1.6 second time at the track. A little bit after the 8th mile, his tire went completely flat. Bro, this would have been it.
This would have been it.
This would have been it. But I brought my 23s, so we have spares, and we're gonna slap them suckers on, let him do it again, and hopefully $11.99 today, at least before we go home.
Yes, that's the goal.
He's gonna try to beat me again.
I'm not gonna try.
Oh, you can't try the tires now because he's gonna use it.
Okay.
Hey, it's all good. Hey, you got that 121 trap speed though. Hey, Alex, man.
If you,
This right here, this could have been his 11-second pass, for damn sure. That's it. Oh yeah, 11.8.
12.8. 12.8. It has it in it. Woo! There you go.
Static. I follow you on Facebook, bro.
Facebook?
Fuck YouTube, my bad.
Hey, I appreciate it. Hey, thank you.
Shit, man.
Hey.
I seen your last video. I was like, oh shit, he's gonna be there. All right.
Is that what it's plus?
Hey, I appreciate it, man.
Man, that shit's crazy, bro.
Dana. What's up, guys? Hey, I appreciate y'all. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all day. Let's do it on Honda Jason so I can send it to him.
Where's your car?
Yeah, it's like, you know the FCS booth?
Yeah.
I'm right in front of him.
Okay.
Guys, there is a lot of cars out here, a lot of newer Civics, all beautiful cars. I'm getting baked out here trying to do cinematics with these cars, but you guys get the ideas. It's a great show, great turnout, and we just did a personal best of 12.8 with the CRX, bro. And I'm happy with that. I think we're good for today. Hang out a little bit, and we're gonna head out of here soon. What'd you put the tires to?
Congratulations, sir.
28 pounds on the tire, guys, and finally broke out of that 12.9. It's a 1.8, 195 reaction time. Did a 12.8 at 106. That is fucking awesome, Marco. That is fucking awesome. I've always ran my tires at 40 pounds, bro. 40 pounds. Now I know to deflate it.
All right, so I guess in order for us to break 11s, we have to break shit. So I was wondering why the tire was rubbing.
Oh, I saw this at the burnout.
I ran at 11.9. I still ran 11.9.
With the 1.7, bro.
And this was my first pass, the previous one.
1180, and then with the broken traction bar, I'm almost certain.
Yeah, broken traction bar.
Yep. 11.9. Congrats, Alex. Marco and Alex, man, y'all did some record setting today, man. Unfortunately, it wasn't me, but you know what? At the end of the day, we all had a great time.
Yeah, that's all
it's all about.
Look at that shit. It's all bent.
This side too.
It's shifted backward. You can see it.
Hey, the guy that I raced.
Look at that caster, though.
Hi, boss.
Hey, man.
Gilbert.
Good meeting you, bro.
Likewise.
Hey, if you guys come out to the track often, this right here is convenient as fuck, bro.
Boom.
Get yourself one of those. I need me one now. Damn it.
Hey,
You see that torque?